अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर।
Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Okay, so in this lesson we will first solve question number 10 and 11 of this exercise, and then we will be having a short quiz related to the topic that we have done so far. This time in this question 10, again, you need to list down all the elements in each of the following set in set notation again. Can you tell me what is the meaning of this set notation? Yes. How to write the set in set notation form?
देखो कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स में ना और कॉमा
Yes, curly brackets, and then we need to put comma in between because we just need to list down all the elements. Okay, so now look at part A. Here we have J is equals to X such that X is the color of the rainbow. This is the way of representing set in set builder form. As you can see over there, we are following a rule X. This ratio is such that X is the color of the rainbow. It means we just need to write rainbow colors in this question. We have done this before in question number 9 or 10. So we have done. Let's just leave this part A. Look at B part. K is the set of consonants in the word symmetry. What do you mean by this word consonants?
which are not vowels
Yes, which are
other than vowels.
okay. So how many consonant letters are there in symmetry? Look at this word and tell me how many consonant letters.
S
Yes.
F Y double M
We
T
just
R
single M because repetition
M
is
T
not
R.
मिस रिपीट कर दें ये क्या होते हैं? मुझे समझ नहीं आया था।
consonants other than vowels.
ओके ओके।
Yes. So we have these 5 consonant letters over there in part B. So this is all about B part. You just need to write consonant letters of this word symmetry. We have Y 2 times, we have M 2 times, so we'll just write them once because repetition is not allowed for writing the set. Next, we have part C. Again, L is equals to X such that X is a teacher teaching my current class. So you can just write the name of one teacher or two teacher, it's up to you. Next, D. I want answer of part D.
मिस किस टीचर का नाम लिखना है ये समझ नहीं आया।
Teaching your current class. जो आपकी क्लास को पढ़ाती हैं, आप उनका नाम लें. It can be
मिस ये
all.
कैसा सवाल है?
Yes, part D.
मिस जनवरी ना?
January, June, July.
Yes, we have 3 months that starts with letter J. January, comma, June, comma, July. You need to put comma in between as well. Okay, next one.
मिस ये कैसे लिखेंगे बता दें, डी वाला लिख कर बता दें प्लीज।
January, June, July.
ओके ओके।
Next one, part E. Odd number between 10 and 18. Again, this is very simple.
11 13, 15, 17.
Yes. Good. F is again for consonant. You just need to write 5 consonant of the English alphabet. You can write first 5. Acha, we have to write first 5. It's there in the question as well.
It's A and E.
A नहीं होगा, B से start होगा. B.
B, C, D, F, G.
G. Yes, good. You just need to leave vowels. Next
Okay.
part is day of the week, beginning with the letter T.
Tuesday.
As D.
Tuesday and Thursday.
Yes.
मिस ये BCD हमने अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में क्यों नहीं लिखा?
मतलब?
नहीं मतलब A कहाँ है?
We need to write 5 consonants, beta. Consonants means the letters which are not vowels.
अच्छा सॉरी.
A और E vowels होता है ना, तो we have to leave that. Okay, next. H1, set of even numbers on a clock face. How many numbers are there on a clock face?
12. नहीं.
12. तो उन 12 में से जो even होंगे, you just need to write them.
Teacher, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Last one is month of the year with fewer than 30 days.
February.
February, only February. You people have 2 minutes to complete this question 10.
पार्ट ए में सारे कलर
One by one.
ठीक है.
ये सामना.
ठीक है, पार्ट ए में सारे कलर्स लिखने ना रेनबो के.
Yes, 7 colors. Okay, so are you all done with question 10? Please let me know in the chat box. Okay, Tahneem is saying she has done, Haya done, Aisha Chan, Samna. Okay. So let's move forward towards question number 11. Okay, up till now, till question number 10, the word statement is given to us and we need to convert them into set notation form. But this time in question 11, set notation, set builder form is already given. Tabular form is already given to us. We need to convert this builder. We need to convert this into words, descriptive form. Look at first one. Look at these numbers and tell me which type of numbers are they.
Even numbers, even positive numbers.
Yes, positive even numbers. So you can just write positive even numbers. Or even integers. Is there any need to write between this and this or less than some number? कोई
No,
restriction लगाने की जरूरत है?
no teacher, क्योंकि उसमें डॉट डॉट है यानी
Yes, because the
है.
set is infinite. So we'll just write M is a set of positive, even integers or numbers.
मिस सेकंड वाले भी इवन है.
Second वाले में भी यही है, but we need to write as a set of first 5
No
positive
limitation.
integer. Restriction is there.
Restriction भी.
Next one, part C. Which type of numbers are they?
तो मिस ये बी वाले में हम ऐसे लिखेंगे ना, n is a set of positive even integers from 0 till 8.
Yes, you can also write n is a set of first 5 positive even integers.
Okay.
Or you can write n is a set of positive even integers less than 10 or less than 9. All will be correct. Look at part C and tell me which type of numbers are they.
Cube of natural numbers.
Yes, perfect cubes, or we can say cube numbers. Is there any restriction? Matlab we need to write first 5, first 6 or less than something?
No.
No.
So we'll just write O is a set of positive perfect cube. Next one.
मिस इसमें तो अल्फाबेट नहीं, बल्कि वो तो लास्ट वाला है.
Part D.
नेगेटिव.
नेगेटिव भी है, पॉजिटिव भी है.
Multiple of 5.
Multiples of 5. Good. You just need to
पॉजिटिव एंड
write.
नेगेटिव मल्टीपल ऑफ 5.
No need to write positive and negative because both are there, ना. पॉजिटिव हम तब लिखते हैं जब सिर्फ पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हो, नेगेटिव हम तब मेंशन करेंगे जब सिर्फ नेगेटिव हो. When we have both of them, so there is no need to write positive and negative. You just write P is a set of multiples of 5. Again, no restriction because both sides से ये infinite ही है. Last one.
Q is a set of first 5 letters of alphabet.
English alphabet. Yes, correct. Q is a set of first 5 letters of English alphabet. Okay, so now this question number 12 is the last question for today. You have to complete question number 1 till 12 in your registers, and then you need to submit me your whole task in the form of PDF through Google Form, which is already shared on this WhatsApp group. Okay, so now I am sharing with you a link for a quiz. Please join the quiz. Then we will discuss after. Okay, kindly check the class WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's have a quick review. As you know, set is a collection of objects, but this time the collection should be well-defined and distinct objects. And the objects belonging to a set are called elements, or you can say members. Next, we have if there is a set in which no elements, it means the set is called empty set. And this empty set is also known as null set. We have some symbols for denoting null set, or you can say empty set, both are same, right? And we have this symbol for denoting empty set. You can write this empty bracket, or you can just put these phi symbol as well. Achha, you cannot write in this form. You can just look at the slide because the question will be same. Next, we have 3 different ways to write a set. Word form, as we have just done, question 12. Listing form or set builder form, जिसमें x such that x आता है. Okay, this is again same. Start attempting the test. Okay, next. Time over for the first one. Five, four, three, two. One. Next. Five, four, three, two, one. Next question. Okay, last 5 seconds. Four, three, two, one. Next. Hello, time over. Three, two, one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. Yes, fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last. In this one, you may have 2 or 3 correct options as well. Okay, so that's all. You can see over there. I will share this report with you, people.
मिस मेरे इतने क्वेश्चंस रह गए थे, आपने हटा ही दिया था क्वेश्चन।
जी टीचर।
Amna, you have not attempted question 8 and 9. Otherwise, all are correct. Is there anyone
टीचर
जिसके सब correct हुए?
मैं सोच रही थी तो वो हट ही जा रहा था।
मिस मैंने जब क्विज ज्वाइन किया ना तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे थे या पता नहीं कौन से वाले पे थे हम लोग।
Okay.
मिस दोबारा करें।
इसी को दोबारा
मिस
करें
आज नहीं करें।
नेक्स्ट क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक
जी
के साथ।
ओके।
मुलाइका ने कोई क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया माशाल्लाह। आयशा नूर।
मिस मेरे क्वेश्चंस रह गए थे, मैंने लेट क्विज ज्वाइन किया था।
अच्छा, मैं देखना चाह रही हूँ किसी के सारे करेक्ट भी हुए हैं कि नहीं। हाया ने भी 2 लीव कर दिए हैं। ना फिर आयशा सिद्दीका इसमें सबसे वैसे हाईएस्ट पर है। से माशाल्लाह फॉर हर।
माशाल्लाह।
Okay, this is all about today. I will share this screenshot with you people. You can check your progress as well. This is all about today. We'll discuss inshallah the next topic in the next class.
मिस ये ऐड तो नहीं कर देंगी आप?
हो सकता है।
नहीं मिस, हम अचानक से आपने लिए।
चलो ठीक है, okay. If you have any confusion, you can ask by raising your hand. Otherwise, you can leave the class.
ये लोग क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है?
हादिया, येलो मीन्स योर आंसर इज पार्शियली करेक्ट। मे भी हो सकता है इस क्वेश्चन में 2 ऑप्शंस हो तो आपने हाफ करेक्ट दिया हो, हाफ इज रॉन्ग। ओके, लाइक जैसे लास्ट वाले में वी विल बी हैविंग 2 डिफरेंट सिंबल्स फॉर एम्प्टी सेट ना, तो आपका एक सिंबल करेक्ट होगा, एक रॉन्ग होगा, या मे बी आपने एक एक्स्ट्रा मार्क कर दिया होगा। ओके, ओके, सो अल्लाह हाफिज एवरीवन।